Drop into your pigeon on the right side. Front knee bent in front of you, back leg extended. Let your hips sink into the mat. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel where you're holding on. This stretch hurts so good because it targets deep glute tension and the outer hip capsule. I promise, the more you let go here, the less back pain you'll feel later today. Beginners, a proper cushion under your hip. Advanced stretches, walk your hands forward and rest your forehead down. Here's something wild. Tight glutes can pull on your spine. So if you've been blaming your back, the real culprit might be your hips. Take one more breath. Hold it for 5 more seconds. You're halfway through the unlock. Let's balance the other side. Slide your left leg forward now. Settle into it the same way. But notice, does this side feel different? That imbalance, that's the tension you normally walk with and don't even realize. I promise, this isn't just about flexibility. It's about resetting your gait and grounding your steps. Beginners, support yourself with fingertips. Advanced stretches, drop your elbows or extend your arms fully out in front. Do you feel that yet? That deep pull across your hip? If not, shift 10% more into stillness. Sometimes the resistance shows up when you're finally quiet. That just cleared the gate. Now we're opening the whole hip line. Sit tall, soles of your feet together, knees fall open like pages of a worn-out book. Now hinge forward slowly. Heart first, not your head. This one's sneaky. It feels gentle, but I promise it unlocks adductors, glutes, and hip rotators all at once. Beginners, hold ankles, stay upright. Advanced stretches, grab feet and pull gently as you fall deeper. Here's a little known fact. When you breathe deeply into this pose, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system. That's your body's calm switch. Stay with it, because the next move, it's going to test your hip control like nothing else. Sit upright, knees bent, feet wide, both hands behind you. Now drop your right knee toward your left foot, then come back to center and alternate, like windshield wipers. You're not just moving your legs, you're unlocking the socket of your hips. I promise, this unlocks mobility that static stretching can't touch. Beginners, keep feet wide and go slow. Advanced stretches, sit upright, no hands. Here's the game. Can you keep your feet grounded the entire time? Feel the difference? If you're tight, your knees won't drop evenly. 5 more seconds.